Hey y'all, today I'm going to switch out my curtains. The seasons have changed, and so I guess you can call it fall cleaning, but I want my curtains darker. I want to make sure I change my bedspread out. Now that it's fall, I washed my curtains and dried them, and I'm getting ready to hang them. I'm taking down my shears. As you can see, there's the shears, and so I'm going to do that. Hope to inspire somebody. I am excited about it. The curtains are going to look really nice, and it's going to make me be able to relax a little more instead of that bright sun all day shining through the shears. As you can see, that makes a big difference. I really like it. I like the way it darkened the room and everything. Everything is like brown, tan, for fall. Oh, that's so nice. I really like that. I hope you enjoy it. What, 5 minutes? And I swapped out the curtains, and it made such a big difference. It just looks like a whole new room. Open it, let the sun shine in, you know. I hope you enjoy. Have a great day.